Welcome to educational channel of Suresh Bhatt Classes. Quantitative aptitude video on alligation and mixture, part 5. In previous two videos and in this video, we have covered the topic removed and replaced. To understand this topic, please watch the previous two videos and also this video. In this video, we are going to solve question number 8 to 10. The question is, a container has 72 liters of milk. 6 liters of milk was taken out and replaced by water. Then 8 liters of mixture was taken out and replaced by water. Again 9 liters of mixture was taken out and replaced by water. Find the ratio of milk and water in the resultant mixture. Final value of milk upon total value of mixture equal to 1 minus R1 upon total value or total quantity of mixture into 1 minus R2 upon total quantity of mixture into 1 minus R3 upon total quantity of mixture. This way we can use this formula. Now we put the values. In first time 6 liter was withdrawn, so we write 6 upon 72 as the total quantity of liquid in the vessel is 72 liters and was replaced again. Whatever is withdrawn is replaced by the same quantity, so the quantity of the solution or liquid is 72 liters in all the times, in all the cases. Now into 1 minus R2 is second time we have withdrawn 8 liters and replaced by the same quantity of water. So 8 upon 72 into 1 minus, in third time we have withdrawn 9 liters and replaced by the same quantity of water. So we write 9 upon 72. 6 cancels 72 for 12 times. 8 cancels 72 for 9 times. And 9 cancels 72 for 8 times. This gives 1 minus 1 upon 12 is 11 upon 12 into 1 minus 1 upon 9 is 8 upon 9 into 1 minus 1 upon 8 gives us 7 upon 8. We cancel 8 of numerator by 8 of denominator, and this gives us final value of milk upon total liquid equal to 77 upon 108. If it had been asked the final value of milk to the initial value of milk, then our answer would have been 77 upon 108. But it has been asked the final value of milk to the water. So we solve like this: final value of milk upon water equal to 77 upon total solution minus milk portion. If we subtract, then we get water value. So 108 minus 77 we have to write. This gives us 77 upon 31. 108 minus 77 is 31. Then our answer comes out to be milk, final value of milk upon water equal to 77 upon 31. This is our answer. We go to the next question, and the question is, a vessel has mixture of 50 liters of acid and 30 liters of water. 16 liters of mixture is taken out and replaced by same quantity of water. This process was repeated for one more time. Find the ratio of acid left and initial quantity of acid. So final quantity of acid equal to initial quantity into 1 minus R upon total quantity of the mixture to the power n, where this n has the value of the quantity withdrawn and replaced for the number of times. Here in this case it is 2 times. So final quantity equal to initial quantity of acid is 50 liters and 1 minus 16 liter were withdrawn for 2 times and replaced by same quantity of water. So we write 16, and the total quantity of the mixture is 50 liter of acid and 30 liters of water. So this comes out to be 80 liters. So we write 80 here, and in the power we write 2 because this process was repeated for 2 times. This gives us final quantity of acid equal to 1 minus 16 upon 80 is 64 upon 80 to the power 2, and 64 is cancelled by 16 for 4 times and 80 for 5 times. So this gives us 50 into 4 upon 5 multiplied by 4 upon 5, and 5 times 5 is 25, and 25 divides 50 for 2 times. So this is equal to 4 times 4 times 2 is 32. So the final quantity of acid in the mixture is 32 liters, and initial quantity of acid was 50 liters. So ratio of final quantity upon initial quantity equal to 32 upon 50. This is equal to 32 is divided by 2, which gives us 16, and 50 divided by 2 gives us 25. So this gives us 16 upon 25, or final value of acid ratio initial value of acid equal to 16 ratio 25. This way we can solve this question easily by the formula and reach to the answer very fast. We go to the next question. The question is, a container has mixture of 100 liters of alcohol and 20 liters of water. 12 liters from this mixture was removed and 6 liters of water was added. Again, 19 liters from this mixture was removed and 5 liters of water was added. Find the ratio of alcohol and water in final mixture. In this case, the removed quantity and replaced quantity are different. First time 12 liters of mixture was removed and replaced by 6 liters of water. Here 12 and 6 are different quantities, and in again second time 19 liter was withdrawn and 5 liter of water was added. So we cannot use the formula. Now we have to solve this question by traditional method. So we solve this question by traditional method like this. Initial quantity of alcohol is 100 liters and initial quantity of water is 20 liters, and alcohol ratio water is 100 ratio 20, which is 5 ratio 1, or total quantity of alcohol in the total mixture is 5 parts out of 6 parts, and water is 1 part out of 6 parts. Now 12 liters was withdrawn from this mixture. So 5 part out of 6 part is withdrawn. So we have to find the value of alcohol withdrawn and water withdrawn. So 5 upon 6 multiplied by 12, as the 5 part is alcohol out of 6 parts. So in 12 liters it is 5 upon 6 multiplied by 12. 6 cancels 12 for 2 times. So 5 times 2 is 10. Thus 10 liter of alcohol is withdrawn. So 100 minus 10 equal to 90 liter of alcohol is left after withdrawing 12 liters of the mixture. Similarly, we can find the quantity of water withdrawn in 12 liters. So 1 upon 6, 1 part is water in 6 parts of the mixture multiplied by 12. 6 divides 12 for 2 times. So 2 liters is withdrawn from this mixture. 2 liters of water is withdrawn from this mixture. So 20 minus 2 is 18 liters of water is left. Then 6 liter of water is added and no alcohol was added. So we add 6 into this 18 liter. So final quantity is 18 plus 6 equal to 24 liters of water after withdrawing 12 liters of mixture and adding 6 liter of water. Now the ratio of alcohol and water is 90:24. So 90:24 is nothing else but 15:4. As 90 is divided by 6 gives us 15 and 24 divided by 6 gives us 4. So this ratio is 90:24 is 15:4. Now 19 liter is withdrawn and 5 liter of water was added. So in 19 liter of mixture we have to find the quantity of alcohol. The alcohol ratio water is 15:4. It means that in the mixture 15 part is alcohol out of 19 parts. 15 plus 4 is 19 part of mixture, and water is 4 parts out of 19 parts. So in 19 liters we can say that there is a 15 liter of alcohol and 4 liters of water. So we withdraw 15 liters from 90 liters. So 90 minus 15 equal to 75 liters of alcohol is left over, and 24 minus 4 is 20 liters of water is left after withdrawing the 19 liters of the mixture. Now after withdrawing 19 liters of mixture, 5 liters of water was added. So we add 5 to it. On adding 5, the quantity of water becomes 20 plus 5 equal to 25 liters of water. Therefore, alcohol ratio water equal to 75:25. This ratio is 3:1. This way, this question we cannot solve by formula method, and we have to solve this question by traditional method. In part 3, 4 and 5, we have solved 10 questions covering all types of questions of removed and replaced in the alligation and mixture topic. Here completes this video. Please share it among your friends who are preparing for competitive exams. Don't forget to subscribe this channel. Also press bell icon to get the latest notifications.